in my most glamorous pajama pants and tweed sweater. Okay, baby. Let me take. Okay, well now I just catch it within the house. Hello. Hello, baby.
Nowhere near as wild as even Princess was. Yeah. Remember, she flew
Now
around
it's
this
not
thing
trying to
like a
bite me or
bat.
anything, so this is wonderful. This is wonderful. You're all grown up, but you're going to be rescued now. Look at you.
Look at that cute face.
Oh, she's going to scruff you right up.
Hello. Oh, there you go, just like I
Oh, I'm
told you.
going to kiss you. You're just like a little baby Kramer head. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, hardly any skin left under your chin from itching. Yeah, you've been kicking and scratching, haven't you? Let's see, are you a boy or a girl? I can see the fleas on you. Yes, I can.
Oh, really?
Little boy. You little dirt bag. I don't mind. I don't mind. Here, let's have a cuddle. Oh, yes, I can feel the fleas on you. Ooh, yucky, yucky. Let's get a little... Are we going to put Advantage on you first or bath you first? What are we going to do?
Yeah, a big boy.
Oh, what a wormy belly you have.
Big chubby
Oh
belly.
my, the fleas. I can just see them. Like if I touch, you can feel the dirt underneath.
Yeah, you're
Your
going to
little
feel so
heart
much
is pounding
better.
and pounding and pounding, and you're so skinny. You shouldn't be skinny in the arms like that.
I know.
You're okay. You're okay.